In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 compensation management software platforms for 2026, what each one does best, and who it's built for. Starting with number 1, Lattice. Lattice offers a compensation module built directly on top of its performance management suite, which lets HR teams link merit cycles to performance ratings and goals without external integrations. The platform handles salary bands, approval workflows, pay equity analysis, and personalized total reward statements for employees. Benchmarking data comes through Mercer's annual surveys, and native integrations cover Workday and Bamboo HR. Best for mid-market HR teams already using Lattice that want performance-connected pay decisions in one system. At number 2, HiBob. HiBob is a comprehensive HRIS that offers a compensation module for existing users who want to manage salary and merit cycles inside their primary HR system. The native connection to live employee data removes the need for external integrations. The module supports budget tracking, manager approvals, and pay equity reporting with benchmarking through Mercer Comtrix. It functions as a seamless extension of the core HRIS rather than a standalone tool. Best for existing HiBob customers who want to add compensation planning to their primary HR system. Number 3, Assemble by Deel. Assemble serves private companies in sectors like biotech and pre-IPO tech, where equity is a core component of pay. Through a Carta integration, the platform provides specialized equity benchmarking data that most competitors lack. Beyond equity, the tool manages salary bands, merit cycles, and bonus planning. Its job architecture feature helps fast-growing companies standardize titles and pay structures before running compensation reviews. Best for equity-heavy private companies, especially in biotech and pre-IPO tech. At number 4, Leapsome. Leapsome is a European-focused people management suite that links pay reviews directly to performance metrics. Its GDPR-compliant framework and specialized reporting tools help organizations meet EU Pay Transparency Directive requirements. The platform handles salary bands, merit workflows, and budget oversight, with benchmarking through Mercer Comtrix. Its main strength is connecting compensation decisions to internal performance data without manual syncing. Best for European organizations that need pay transparency compliance alongside performance-linked merit cycles. At number 5, Comprehensive. Comprehensive is a specialized platform built to replace manual spreadsheet-based merit cycles. It consolidates merit, bonus, and equity planning into one streamlined workflow with live budget tracking and customizable approval limits. A key advantage is rapid deployment, weeks instead of months. Native integrations with Workday, Bamboo HR, ADP, and Carta cover the most common mid-market tech stacks, making it a fast switch for teams replacing spreadsheets. Best for mid-market teams between 100 and 2,000 employees ready to retire spreadsheet-based comp planning. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more breakdowns on the best HR software and tools for managing compensation, performance, and engagement. Drop a comment. Which compensation tool is your team using?